Köfte fried Turkish ground beef.
Ingredients: 3/4 cup cubed, stale firm white bread without the crust. 1 1/4 pounds lean ground lamb or beef. 1 small onion, grated. 1/4 of a teaspoon ground cumin. Salt. 1/4 of a teaspoon freshly ground black pepper. 1 egg, well beaten. Directions: in a bowl, pour some warm water over the bread cubes and let them soak for a few minutes. Then press out and discard the liquid. Add the meat, onion, cumin, black pepper and salt to taste. Knead with hands until blended. Add the egg to the mixture and knead again until blended. Divide into 24 equal portions and mold each into a mini hamburger shape. Oil the surface of the kofte and then cover and refrigerate for 4 or 5 hours. When you are ready to grill the kofte, you can take them out of the refrigerator and cook them immediately, either over a barbecue grill or with a stovetop grill pan. The refrigeration helps them keep their shape while cooking, so do not skip this step. Cook until medium well to well done.